Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to stone your clothes with a steam iron. Okay, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now there is so many methods on how to stone your clothes. You can use an industrial stoning machine. You can actually use a stoning applique, call it stoning applicator. Okay, and you can use your steam iron as well. So in this method we are using steam iron to stone these clothes. So the first thing you need to do is just to arrange your stones the way you want it to on your clothes. If you want it clustered, if you want it scattered, you want to follow a pattern, like you can see this blue dot, I followed it, and as well the black, then I place it in other side. So anyhow you want it, just go ahead, patiently arrange it to the area you want the stone to be. It's not a rush work, it's a work you do gently. Okay, just go ahead and place it on those points which you want the stone to be. You can see the type of stone I'm using. This original crystal stone. You can see how sparkling it looks. This is mist color. Okay, you can see any color. If you turn it, you see yellow, you see blue, you can see it's sparkling. It has different colors. This is not just one color. There's so many type of stone, and for the size I'm using the smaller size. This is the small size of it. It has medium, it has big. There's so many colored stone, but I prefer this crystal because it gives you different colors. It doesn't have a particular color. So as you are moving it, it gives any color of any coloration it can give. You can see there's so many colors in it. So after placing the stones, the next thing you need to do is to get a white fabric. Don't use color to avoid staining the clothes. Okay, you need a white fabric so that even if the fabric is washing off, it doesn't go more than staining the white. Okay, but if you use colored fabric, it will actually stain because we are going to wet this. It's going to be moistured with the water inside the iron. So go ahead and place it on those points that you have placed the stone. Then spray the water. So while you are arranging your stones, your iron should be hot. Okay, so after spraying the water, go ahead and place it. You can see the steam is already coming out. Okay, but you have to press the iron, press it down very well. It has to be pressed very well so that the stone will not remove easily. Okay, but don't allow the cloth to get burnt. As you can see, it's very simple and easy to make. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, keep watching for more designs. So you do it with strength. You have to apply force, heavy weight on the iron. Okay, apply heavy weight on it so that it can actually comb the stone very well. Some people will tell you to place the iron direct. My dear, is not really good because I know a friend that burns her beautiful clothes through that method. Just get a fabric and put on top. Don't just place it direct to the fabric because the iron needs to be very hot, very hot. Okay, just do it repeatedly. When you know that really it has stick very well, you can actually remove. For your iron, make sure it's having water inside it. It's very important as well. Okay, we are done with this side. So this mist color stone, original stone. So you can see how I'm placing it. If it's something that has design like this, you can choose to place it on each of the circle to have a nice design. Okay, just go ahead and place it on the fabric one after the other while your iron is hot. So just go ahead and as I'm doing it, there is so many ways you can achieve this. You can use an applique. There is an applique, stoning applique. You can use that one. You just pick and place it on the fabric. But this method is without any applique. Okay. So after placing it, one precaution about this iron store, if you are using it, make sure you have a white fabric. Why we choose white fabric you place on it? Because the iron really need to be hot, okay, for the stone to be firm so that it will not easily go out or remove from the cloth. Okay, you must have a white fabric which you place on. So after arranging the stones on the particular place you want to place it, this is not what you do in a hurry. You have to have patience and do. So if you see how it's sparkling, all the colors are visible here. So just go ahead and continue the process until you cover all the area that you wish to cover. Okay, it's very simple and easy to make. So guys, you can as well use industrial stoning machine. This is manual method. Okay, we have stoning with applique, we have stoning with industrial stoning machine, but this is just stoning with steam iron. So I'll show you how to use other method later. Okay, so I'll show you how to stone with industrial stoning machine later, and stoning with stoning applique. Okay, so this method is stoning with steam iron only. You can see the stone is very strong. It's very strong. So you can see the sparkling. It shows that it's the original one. You can see it can give all the colors. All the colors you can see. It's very simple and easy to make. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, keep watching for more designs.